Hello folks, I represent Learn with 11 Solutions, and I am presenting you Easy Website Development course. In this presentation I'm showing you an easy way to develop a dedicated website or e-commerce shop using just a tiny budget. One of the most important things to mention is that you don't need to know how to code to develop the website. This knowledge is a great opportunity which can evolve into your own web development business or online digital marketing service and help you change your career path shortly after you understand how it works. To see what all this material can turn into, take a look at this website made using exactly the same resources I'm teaching you. This knowledge is the gem just a few know about, and it's highly valuable. You will be able to create a website for your business, or you will be able to create websites for others. Developers are charging thousands of dollars for these services, and you'll learn them for small fraction of that cost. Keep in mind that this knowledge can be applied unlimited number of times and can bring you high amounts of income which will add over and over again. This course takes about 1 week to complete, and the end result will be a fully functional website which you can also turn into an e-commerce shop, like the one you see now. This solution has two main requirements: a hosting service which provides hosting space, and a domain name such as www.example.com or www.example.co.uk. There are other domain name suffixes available as well. This is basically the cheapest way to have a website with a budget starting from about $60 per year. Just to remind you, these $60 include the subscriptions of web hosting and domain name for 1 year. I must bring to your knowledge some tips and tricks which you must pay attention to when it comes to hosting services. First tip: hosting management interface, hosting space administration software via a graphic user interface. It has all the features you need to develop websites. Not all hosting providers use this kind of software on their servers, so pay attention. It's highly appreciated among developers, and I recommend you to get hosting space which has it. Second tip: SSL certificate. Having a SSL certificate makes your website more trusted. It's easier to choose a web hosting which already offers free SSL instead of getting one separately. Third tip: limited number of files, also called inodes, is a limitation that causes trouble when we are choosing small budget hosting services. Some providers have a very small files limit, which is detrimental if you plan to host multiple websites or an e-commerce shop with many products. Fourth tip: when it comes to reliability, hosting services can have limits which target monthly data transfers or number of simultaneous connections. Such limits can be another major drawback. Hitting such limit will cause the website not to load when certain events happen. From my personal experience, you'll be fine with a shared hosting plan in the beginning, and you can upgrade to a VPS hosting service later on. Let's recapitulate. To create a website we need hosting space, a domain name, and an idea of website. If you decide to start this wonderful website development journey, you'll find a link with the best hosting provider below the video. It offers a bundle of hosting and domain name for your needs. Even though you haven't decided about what website to develop, here are some ideas. You can start your own web development agency website to showcase your projects and tell a story about you or your business. Otherwise, you can start a reviews blog about something you're passionate about. It can be about football, drones, cars, or anything else you enjoy. Another website idea would be to develop a functional mock-up website which you can afterwards sell and customize according to your client needs. Website ideas are limitless. Just go with the flow and pick one. Write it down on a piece of paper and think about what structure the website will have. How many pages? Which are the pages? Keep in mind that you can always spy on your competition to make your job easier. In the following modules you will learn how to use the hosting space and get your website online. You will have two solutions. One easier and less time-consuming, and another one more reliable. Both development solutions will be easy to implement using our guides, so don't worry about it. The knowledge you'll gain will also be used to migrate, backup and restore websites. As a reminder, with the knowledge about how to develop websites you can earn large amounts of money which will amortize the cost of this course immediately after your first project. It seems like an infinite money generation method considering you can apply the knowledge on unlimited number of projects. Additional benefits when enrolling in the course are that you'll gain access to direct support via email or chat to help you with unplanned issues in your web development journey. You will receive help via text and screenshot guides, or via share screen. Whenever possible, video sessions will be hosted to answer multiple questions, and you'll have access to all of them. You will also gain access to downloadable materials which contain all the guides you need, in PDF format. We encourage you to choose our course, grow your knowledge and widen your work opportunities at a fraction of a website development project cost. This was the free introductory content which hopefully helps you have a clearer vision about what you will learn in the course.